Now let us look at two important concepts for manufacturing in terms of logistics. Logistics में manufacturing or production would be an important thing. There are two common terms or very popular terms, I would say. One is the original design manufacturer. The other one is the original equipment manufacturer. Now, what is original design manufacturer, ODM? A contract manufacturer that offers complete end-to-end design, engineering and manufacturing services. यानी एक ऐसा मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन भी करके देगा, उसको इंजीनियर भी करके देगा एंड उसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सर्विसेज भी प्रोवाइड करेगा. यानी फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन, फ्रॉम द engineering of that product that it would become feasible for you to produce it at the mass level, and then also provide the manufacturing services. That kind of a manufacturer would be known as original design manufacturer, ODM. ODM design and build products such as consumer electronics that client companies can then brand and sell it of their own. ये डिज़ाइन करके देंगे, सब कुछ बना के देंगे, लेकिन जो ब्रांडिंग है दैट वुड बी ऑफ द क्लाइंट. क्लाइंट जो है वो ओन करेगा उस प्रोडक्ट को, दे विल नॉट ओन इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a large percentage of laptop computers, cell phones and PDAs are made by ODMs. एक लैपटॉप में you would have many electronic products and there are many electrical products and mechanical products. So there would be an original design manufacturer who would be providing those type of things. For example, the LED screen would be coming from some original design manufacturer. Let's say the integrated circuit inside that laptop would be coming from one or some other manufacturer, and similarly the other components like the DVD or the SSD or RAM would be coming from some other companies. But the laptop on the whole would be, let's say, of a Dell or HP or Apple, whatever company is actually branding it. Then we have original equipment manufacturer. It's a company, OEM. It's a company that manufactures a product or components for sale to a customer that will integrate the component into a final product or assembly. तो आपके पास क्या है कि ये आपको कुछ components provide करके दे सकता है जिसको final product और assembly के लिए use किया जा रहा है. Whole product नहीं बना के दे रहा, एक जिसको अलग एंटिटी के तौर पे आप कह सकते हैं वो बना के नहीं दे रहा. The OEMs customers will distribute the end product or resell it to the end user. वो अपने कस्टमर को दे देगा, that will actually sell it to the end user. For example, a personal computer made under a brand name by a given company may contain various components such as hard drives, graphic cards or speakers जो सेपरेटली एक कंपोनेंट की सिर्फ हैसियत रखते हैं, वैसे कुछ वर्क ना कर सकें, और स्पीकर्स मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय सेवरल डिफरेंट OEMs और वेंडर्स, बट द फर्म डूइंग द फाइनल असेंबली और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस इज द फाइनल मैन्युफैक्चरर. यानी कंपोनेंट कहीं और से आया है, उसको असेंबल करके एक सेपरेट जो है वो एक कंपनी ने दिया और वो उसे ब्रांड कर रही है. इन टर्म्स ऑफ ODM, द प्रोडक्ट वुड बी एज अ फुल would be provided to the company और वो सिर्फ अपनी एक ब्रांडिंग जो है उस पर कर रही होगी, उसमें कोई फर्दर प्रोसेसिंग, सिग्निफिकेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस नहीं होना. Whereas in the case of OEM, you would be providing the components and that components separately or isolated in the form of isolation would be nothing, and you have to integrate it or assemble it into one unit. Then it would be able to you would be able to sell it into the market. So OEMs are there and the company would be there which will assemble those components and would be selling it with their brand name. Thank you.